There are more than 80 minor signs, out of which there are approximately 45 that have already occurred, and there are approximately 40 that are pending, not yet occurred, and then there are 10 major signs. But towards the end of the world, our beloved Prophet Muhammad prophesies that Mahdi will come, Isa will come, Mahdi would be the leader, and the Muslims would rule the world for 7 years. That would be the golden years for the Muslims. And that time, inshallah, they will follow Islam, and the Khilafat again would be revived. And that time, whether you want it or don't want it, I want it or don't want it, this would be the best time. So there's the silver lining. I only pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may we live till that time when Mahdi alayhi salam come, so that at least we will support him. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad has given basharat that that group of Muslims that will support Mahdi alayhi salam, they have been promised paradise. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may he come during our time, during my time, and I would be the first person to support him and would love to see how Islam flourishes. And we wait for that time. Till the time he comes, we don't know how long will it take. Few weeks, few months, few years, few decades, Allah Alam. What we should do, we should follow Quran and Sunnah and see to it that we force our leaders to follow Quran and Sunnah, and the Muslims should be united on the banner of Quran and Sahih Hadith. Inshallah, again, we'll be a superpower.